Ever wondered how some businesses stand out in a crowded marketplace? How they manage to capture the attention of customers and keep them coming back for more? The secret lies in their unique selling proposition, or USP. Understanding and developing a USP is a crucial step in setting your business apart from the competition. Today we delve into the step-by-step process of developing a unique selling proposition. Step 1. Understand your target audience. This is the foundation of your USP. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs, their desires? A deep understanding of your target audience allows you to tailor your USP to meet their specific needs. Step 2. Analyze your competition. What is it that they do well? Where do they fall short? By understanding your competition, you can identify gaps in the market that your business can fill. Step 3. Identify the unique benefits of your product or service. What makes your product or service different? What value does it bring to your customers that they can't get elsewhere? This is the essence of your USP. Step 4. Communicate your USP clearly and effectively. Your USP should be communicated across all your marketing channels, from your website to your social media platforms. It should be clear, concise, and compelling. Step 5. Test and refine your USP. A USP is not a one-and-done deal. It should be continually tested and refined based on feedback from your customers and changes in the market. So, to recap, developing a unique selling proposition involves understanding your target audience, analyzing your competition, identifying the unique benefits of your product or service, communicating your USP effectively, and continually testing and refining it. Remember, a well-crafted USP can set your business apart from the competition, attract your ideal customers, and ultimately drive growth and profitability. So, take the time to develop a USP that truly represents the unique value that your business brings to the market. It's an investment that will pay off in the long run. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the process of developing a unique selling proposition. Here's to your business success.